Hey guys, Omar with Overlanding Just Cause, and in this video, I want to talk about packing light and just the essentials for overlanding. Look at this bag. I got this off Amazon. I had a bigger bag and I condensed that bigger bag into this bag. I just like it better. Velcro top, Velcro on both sides so you can open it from both sides. Again, I'll leave the link, but this is what I'm carrying to go out camping. Let's talk about it. I've got my dry foods, just bought it at Food Line. I've got a couple cans of corned beef hash, breakfast tomorrow, and a bag of potato chips. I've got, well, this doesn't belong there, but I've got dog bowls. I've got the water bowls already out, but these are their food bowls. I've got a bag of wet wipes. If you didn't already get the message, more of those. Fire starters, wet wipes. These are not for the butt. These are more for like wiping your body type thing. I've got the dog pills because, you know, dogs need medication too, apparently. I've got a bar of soap. All that fits in this little slot. And they're like two, 6x6 right here. Got dog food on this side. So one's for Athena, one's for Cadence. Because Athena, the Roddy, who has the medication, also needs special food. Yeah. On this side, I've got a propane tank, A1 sauce, hello, bug spray, bug candle. I've got spray for pans. What else? Salt, pepper, bug, go where, whatever you call that. Anyway, I got all that here. On this side, this is a must. You need a little kitchen set. Now with this, got it off Amazon, added a few things to it, like a lighter. I added this to it. I actually got this for Christmas from my best friend. But everything else comes with it. Can opener, cutting board, scissors, spatula, tongs, the works. Get one of these. Comes in super helpful. Like I just left it in the bag it came with and it fits perfectly in the big section here. Now this bigger section, again, probably a 12 by 12 type thing. I have paper towels, I have paper plates, and I have a pan. Oh, and last thing, a bunch of Ziploc bags. These are mainly for leftovers. That goes in there. And what I usually do is put it in like this. It sits flush, paper towels. That's how that works. Everything is set inside. Now, as far as essentials, keep it, if you're going solo, this is all I bring. Now, what else do you need? Well, you need shelter. With shelter, I have my Jeep Commander as my where I sleep, but the dogs, because I have two bigger dogs, 80 pounds, I have the Trekway. Now it's an SUV tent or like a truck tent type thing. You connect it to the back and that's where they sleep. They have plenty of space. That's where I go in and out to go inside the Commander to go to bed, and it works. You don't need to get a Trekway. There are other options out there on the market. So what else do you need? You need water. I have water. I have a wave. I'm going out for 2 nights. 5 gallons for us, plus I have a little bit of like bottled water in the fridge just in case. But 5 gallons for a couple days, plenty for the dogs and I. I mean, it's super simple. It comes with a plastic piece. I ended up going to Lowe's, getting a metal piece, putting a grommet in here, and it works and it doesn't leak. It's been solid. I've had it on here for, man, probably a year now, and this thing has held up. I also have a trash bag. Some of you guys might know it as a Trasheroo. I mean, that's kind of the brand that made all this, but there's other brands out. In this case, mine is called a Traxax. I've had it for like 4 years now, 3 years, and this thing has held up. Now, one thing I will say is I do not leave it on the truck if I'm not camping or going out. As soon as I get home, I clean it out, I wash it out, I let it air dry, and then I put it away just so that it doesn't get rotted out by the sun. Here I have a 5-gallon gas tank just in case, again, emergency. I've never used it. What I end up doing is I fill it up, I bring it with me when I go camping, and about every 4 or 5 months I dump it in the Commander and I refill it for the next 4 or 5 months. So up there, I have my recovery straps, I have a shovel, I have ratchet straps on the driver's side. The second box on the driver's side, I have my tire repair kit, my tire inflation kit, my tire deflation kit. Like all that is in a tire bag. Tire, not in an entire, just in a bag. And on this side, passenger side, I have little jet boil type thing, right? Water source. I'll need propane, but I have freeze dried food, and in the other case, I have my awning. Now, here I have it set up with a fridge. You don't need a fridge, you can have a cooler. At the door, I have lights, which I'm about to set up. I have a slingshot. Down here, I have my chair, which I already have set up. That's just the case for it. I have my Scotty grill, which is awesome. Probably cook on that tomorrow, but that takes propane. I have a battery pack. Now, this is going to come in handy for this. Now, I have this connected to my Jeep Commander. My Jeep Commander has not failed me yet. It has a constant 12-volt source, which when I plug it in, 12 volt, even when the truck is off, it's running, like it powers. And this thing is powering. Now, this fridge doesn't take too much power. However, it always makes me nervous that the next morning it's not going to start. Now, again, it hasn't failed me yet. It's always started, and this thing is a beast. I don't know what else to say. Now, that's the reason why I have the Gulu, the battery jumper, in case something bad happens. What else do you need? So I have a battery, I have a fridge. You don't need all that, but you need some kind of battery source just to charge your phone. Let's go inside the tent. I would say the last thing you need is just a good place to sleep. In this case, I'm sleeping inside the Commander, but again, I have the Trekway and Cadence wanting to come in. Cadence, get out. Get out. Come on. You're dirty. Get out. Go. 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 Back up. Back up. So the Trekway is a 10 by 10 tent or 9 by 9. I never can remember. But I have the dogs set up here. It's going to get cold tonight. It might rain. I'll shut the windows, right? But I have blankets for them. And then here is where I'll sleep. And again, it's a 3-inch foam mattress that I have wrapped up. And that's it. This is my living space here. I have my holster here for my protection, which I'm carrying right now, but when it's time to go to sleep, it'll go in there just in case something happens. I can easily grab it. I have storage here for whatever I need, usually flashlights. My phone goes in here. On this side, I have my fire extinguisher with quick fist. I have an axe here with quick fist clamps. So again, it seems like a lot, but it's really not. Keeping it light, keeping it simple. I love it. With family, you're gonna need more, right? I mean, I have kids, I have dogs. There's a lot more water involved, a lot more food. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And thank you for watching the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.